Samsung has just announced 4 new devices: the Galaxy S25 FE, the Galaxy Tab S11, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and the new Buds 3 FE. Hey guys, welcome to TechN. I'm Jeevan, and let's check out Samsung's new devices. First up, we've got the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, the final entry into Samsung's flagship S25 series. The Fan Edition has always been a unique entry into the Galaxy S series. It's in that Goldilocks zone of being a flagship and having a price point that doesn't break the bank. This year is no different. The S25 FE does the same thing, but ups the ante when it comes to the camera. It's coming with a 50 megapixel wide camera for the main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. If that sounds familiar, it's cause it's comparable to the setup on the Galaxy S25, though that one comes with a larger 10 megapixel telephoto sensor. More importantly, the S25 FE is getting a bump to 12 megapixels when it comes to the front camera. It's also the first FE to come with Samsung's AI-powered ProVisual engine. This should mean you'll be getting better camera performance overall with more editing features at your disposal. It's also the first device to come with One UI 8 Android 16. It has a 4000 mAh battery and a Full HD Plus display. The design is pretty much identical to the S25 series. The FE does feel a little better in hand, and it could be due to the extra heft. It's worth noting that the edges are not as sharp and it feels really sturdy. Definitely feeling more flagship than mid-range. It also comes with Armour Aluminium. Yes, exactly like the S25. One UI 8 did look a lot more fluid with our brief time with it during the event. Seriously, it's giving a good first impression and it's priced from 3,099 ringgit. The Galaxy Tab S series is a lot more streamlined this year. Samsung has done away with the Plus and gone straight with the vanilla Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra. The biggest difference between the two? Size. You have the very normal size Tab S11 that comes with an 11-inch display, while the Ultra supersizes this to a whopping 14.6 inches. But the Ultra is Samsung's thinnest tablet to date, coming in at only 5.1 millimeters. That's even thinner than the Galaxy S25 FE. Under the hood, it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. The latest processor from MediaTek is built on a 3nm process, which promises better performance and longer battery life. But that's not all. Samsung has also reduced the notch on both the Tab S11 and the Tab S11 Ultra, largely by removing a camera sensor. Both now come with a 12 megapixel camera sensor up front, while on the back the Tab S11 comes with a single 13 megapixel sensor, while the Tab S11 Ultra comes with an additional 8 megapixel sensor. Of course, One UI 8 comes with Galaxy AI, and they've also optimized it for tablets. Samsung has opted to give it an overlay layout, which you can position wherever you want on the screen. You've got Writing Assist, Drawing Assist, and even Gemini Live that has been optimized for the Tab S series. My biggest highlight with the Tab S11 series is the improvements that come with DeX. You'll now be able to use DeX wirelessly with other devices, but that's not what's new. The new bit is that you'll be able to use the other devices like an extended screen. DeX also allows you to have up to 4 workspaces now. You'll be able to keep work and play separate, and each workspace can be optimized. The S Pen has also been redesigned to more resemble a pencil. Samsung claims that you'll be able to draw at more acute angles as well. Now, prices for the Galaxy Tab S11 series start at 3,899 ringgit. Rounding up the new devices is the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. The new Galaxy Buds 3 FE comes with the same design as the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, only with a matte finish. Samsung's new blade design is computer designed for better comforts for longer periods of use. Of course, you'll be able to control the Buds 3 FE with the same pinch and swipe gestures. It even comes with the pairing button at the bottom. The biggest improvements that come to the Buds 3 FE are the larger 11mm drivers compared to the Buds 2 FE, and the 32dB ANC, which is on par with the Buds 3 Pro. It also has intelligent calls that help pick up your voice for better clarity. The Buds 3 FE is priced at 499 ringgit. Well, there you have it. Our first impressions of the Galaxy S25 FE, the new Tab S11 series, and the Buds 3 FE. Let me know what you want to know about these devices in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Jeevan, and I'll see you in the next one.
True.